Okay, so today we're gonna make a smoothie cup with all different kinds of ingredients. And I'm gonna have you guys start by drawing the cup, and then we'll create some patterns using ingredients, okay? So how I'm gonna have you start is doing an oval at the top of your paper, and you want your cup to fill almost your whole paper. So we're gonna do an oval at the top. We're gonna do a smaller oval at the bottom. And then I'm gonna have you use a piece of paper or a ruler just to connect that top oval to the bottom oval. Okay, and then let's draw another small oval about a little bit to the side of your cup, and we're just going to draw a straight line down to the edge because this is going to be your straw. Okay, and just erase the line behind it. That's called overlapping in art, and that creates space, which is an element of art. So we're using line and space so far. Those are our two elements of art that we're using. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a drip on the side of our cup. And it's just going to be very curvy lines that go up and down. Some are bigger, some are smaller. They go to the edge of the cup, and we're going to create a lip that shows on the other side of our cup. And then we're going to draw some layers following that same curve. And each of these layers is going to contain an ingredient. So if you want a lot of stuff in your smoothie, you're going to make more layers, okay? The thing I want you to do is think about what kind of ingredients do you want in your smoothie. A pattern is a principle of art, and when you use repeated elements in a piece of art, then that creates pattern. And usually you're using also what's called repetition. So I'm gonna do some strawberries in mine, and I'm just gonna draw. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna make are, I think I'm gonna do some orange slices. I'm gonna just do a quarter piece all the way across. And this is actually, you can see the repetition as well as the pattern being created. And then I'm just going to keep adding ingredients on each layer, and you guys choose whatever ingredients you want. You can add some little circles in the background or little squares to fill the space. Have fun with this and make it your own. Once you have it the way you like, you're going to trace over everything in a black permanent marker. You can use different thicknesses, so you can use a thick marker on the outside of the cup and a thinner marker on your ingredients. However you want to do it, and take your time and do a good job on this part. Once you have it completely inked in, you're going to come back with an eraser and erase all of your pencil lines. Finally, you're just going to come in and fill all of your different patterns and designs with color. Okay, so there you have it. That's your smoothie. If you wanted to, you could cut it out and paste it onto a colorful piece of paper. Have fun with this, you guys. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art.